Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Meta Business Suite for AI ad optimization automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using Meta Business Suite for AI ad optimization automation, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Meta Business Suite website. If you already have a Facebook account, click on the login button located at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your Facebook account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of Meta Business Suite. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started to create a new one. Follow the prompts to set up your business information. Provide your business name and details as required. After your account setup is complete, locate the Automated Ads feature in the menu. Click on Automated Ads to explore the various options available. Review the available subscription options that best suit your advertising needs. Select the preferred subscription plan by clicking on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your choice. You may need to enter payment details to complete your subscription. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions. Once everything looks good, click on the Confirm Subscription button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your subscription is active. To set up AI ad optimization, navigate back to the dashboard. Look for the Ad Automations section within the platform. Click on it to access the optimization tools. Configure your ad preferences based on your target audience and budget. Utilize the AI recommendations provided by the platform for effective ad strategies. Finally, monitor your ad performance regularly to make adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.